Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove ads in the Remini app using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Remini app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Go Pro or Pro at the top of your screen. Now you will see different subscription plans such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Select the plan that suits you best. Confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Once the payment is successful, your account becomes Remini Pro. Now go back to the app and start editing photos or videos. You will notice no ads, faster processing, extra pro features, and no watermark. Ads are removed automatically. You don't need to change any extra setting. And that's it. This is how you can remove ads in the Remini app using just your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.